Hello, snooker fans! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're queuing up some incredible facts about snooker that will astonish you. So, chalk up your cues and let's break down these top 15 facts about snooker. Fact 1. The birthplace of snooker. Did you know snooker originated in India? It was invented by British Army officers stationed in Jabalpur in the late 19th century. The game evolved from billiards and pyramids to become the snooker we know today. Fact 2. The color order. In snooker, the balls are potted in a specific order, reds first, followed by the colors in ascending value: yellow, green, brown, blue, pink, and black. This sequence maximizes the points a player can earn. Fact 3. The maximum break. The highest possible break in snooker is 147, known as a maximum break. This involves potting all 15 reds with 15 blacks, followed by all 6 colors in sequence. Only a few players have achieved this under competitive conditions. Fact 4. The youngest world champion. Stephen Hendry holds the record for being the youngest world snooker champion, winning his first title at just 21 years old in 1990. His dominance in the 1990s remains unmatched. Fact 5. The Crucible Theatre. The World Snooker Championship has been held at the Crucible Theatre in Sheffield, England, since 1977. Its intimate atmosphere and unique seating arrangement make it a legendary venue in the world of snooker. Fact 6. The longest frame. The longest frame in snooker history took a staggering 123 minutes. It was played between Fergal O'Brien and David Gilbert during the 2017 World Championship qualifiers. Fact 7. The popularity of snooker. Snooker enjoys immense popularity in the UK, China, and India. In China, the sport has seen a massive surge in popularity, leading to the emergence of top-ranked players like Ding Junhui. Fact 8. The smallest winning margin. The closest World Championship final was in 1985, where Dennis Taylor defeated Steve Davis 18-17. The final black ball of the final frame decided the match, making it one of the most dramatic moments in snooker history. Fact 9. Snooker on television. Snooker was first broadcast on British television in 1969. The introduction of color TV significantly boosted its popularity, allowing viewers to see the different colored balls for the first time. Fact 10. The cue ball. The cue ball in snooker is slightly smaller than the other balls. It measures 52.5 millimeters in diameter, while the object balls are 54 millimeters. This difference helps players control the cue ball with greater precision. Fact 11. The century breaks. A century break in snooker is a break of 100 points or more. Ronnie O'Sullivan holds the record for the most century breaks in professional snooker, with over 1,100 to his name. Fact 12. Snooker's governing body. The World Professional Billiards and Snooker Association (WPBSA) governs professional snooker. Founded in 1968, it oversees the rules, ranking system, and organization of major tournaments. Fact 13. The shot clock. In some tournaments, a shot clock is used to speed up play. Players typically have 25 seconds per shot, with a warning at 10 seconds. This rule adds excitement and pressure, leading to more dynamic games. Fact 14. The golden triangle. The triangular arrangement of the reds is often called the golden triangle. Properly racking the balls is crucial for a fair break and can influence the outcome of the initial stages of a frame. Fact 15. The cue tip. The tip of a snooker cue is made from leather and measures between 9 and 10 millimeters in diameter. The tip size and condition are essential for controlling the cue ball and executing precise shots. And there you have it, 15 fascinating facts about snooker. From its origins in India to the drama of the Crucible Theatre. Snooker has a rich history full of intriguing stories and remarkable achievements. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interesting facts and stories about your favorite sports.